Today, we're taking a closer look at the RedRock TC2 drop step running boards with a textured black finish designed specifically for the 2024 and newer Tacoma Double Cab models. These running boards are an excellent option for Tacoma owners looking for both enhanced accessibility and a rugged aesthetic to complement their truck's appearance. These drop step running boards feature this nice drop step design that features a convenient step closer to the ground, making it easier to get in and out of your Tacoma, especially helpful if you have a lifted setup or you have older passengers and kids with you. The texture black finish not only adds this nice, slick, aggressive look, but also offers a non-slip surface for secure footing in all conditions. Also, these running boards serve as a protective barrier, saving your truck's sides from minor impacts during some off-roading adventures. Constructed from durable steel, these running boards are built to withstand the rigors of daily use and hitting those trails. The textured black powder coat finish enhances the corrosion resistance, improving their longevity and maintaining their appearance over time. This well-built design ensures that the running boards can support significant weight while providing reliable performance along the way. As far as pricing goes on these, they're coming in right around that $400 price range. So considering their durable construction and the added convenience, they're sitting at a great price point in my opinion. Installation is going to be straightforward since they're designed as a direct bolt-on component. So we're rating this just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have these installed in 2 hours or less of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop and they're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how these go on your truck.
For this install, you will need a ratchet, 12 and 13 millimeter sockets. What's up guys, today we're going to be doing some side steps on our Tacoma, so let's get started. Alrighty guys, so we're starting off underneath the truck right behind our pinch weld on the driver's side, and you're going to find these factory threaded inserts on your vehicle. Now you may have placeholder bolts in here, obviously we don't, but you'll need a 12 millimeter socket on a ratchet to remove those, and you can discard them or save them. And once you have those out, you can grab our provided 13 millimeter bolts with lock washers and flat washers and install our brackets. Now these are labeled for each of their positions, so we are in the center of the driver's side, so it's going to be DC, and every other bracket is labeled DR or DF for rear and front, and the same thing on your passenger side. So we'll get these in. We're just going to get these hand tight for now. That will allow us to still make any adjustments we need to make once we install our steps. And once you have this bracket loosely in place, we can do the same thing for our other 2 brackets. So now that we have our bracketry in place, we're going to install our step. Now it's best to kind of set this on from below it so you can see where your bolt holes are. And the steps have threaded inserts on them, which we're going to line up with our brackets. Once we have these lined up, we're going to grab our provided combo bolts, get those through our brackets. And again, you just want to get these hand tight for now. And once you have your first set in, we'll do the same thing for the other 2 brackets. Now once you have everything loosely in place, you want to make any adjustments you want to do to have these steps sitting where you would like. And we'll grab our 13 millimeter socket on a ratchet and tighten down all of our hardware. And once you have your first bracket all tightened up, you want to do the same thing for the other 2. Now once you've got this side on, you can repeat the same process for the other side. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our RedRock TC2 drop step running boards with textured black finish for your 24 to current Tacoma Double Cab. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Tacoma, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.